Hi, my name is Dara Carter, and this is my project about the integration engineer team. The first business model I've chosen is the business goal model. A business goal model is a setup of different goals that the business want to achieve, from the CEO to the user, all the way down to what the system itself wants to achieve. Each goal is connected as they are all small steps in the overall goal of having a successful business. The integration engineer team is responsible for a lot of the business goals indirectly, as solving problems allows the business to reach their goals faster and allows them to set up new goals. The second model I've chosen is the stakeholder model. The stakeholder model shows the relation of each environment in the business: the outer environment, the system contributors, and the system. Without the system and the system contributors working, the outer environment would fail and the business would cease to exist. This means that the integration engineer team is very essential to this model, as without someone constantly producing solutions to problems the business is having, the business would slow and the stakeholder model will not reach even the system contributors layer. The requirements needed for an integration engineer team are logical database requirements, as they will need a database of information they can access, which will show them what department is having a problem and what might be causing it. They will need quality requirements, as if there isn't a certain quality for the business to uphold, there might be an unknown problem, as there may be nothing wrong, but something may need to improve to meet the quality. Performance requirements are needed because the team needs to know how everything is performing at all times, because if there is a problem, the quicker they can get to it, the better. The questions I would ask this department is, what funding would this department need, as I believe it will be a very costly department, but it will also be very essential. The next question is, how much staff will this department need, as it will need to be properly staffed, as it is very important that things get done quickly. The next question would be, what information will this department need access to, as I believe it will need access to information throughout the business, as it needs to know if there are any problems going on anywhere in any department. My involvement in this project was to do the system vision picture and explain it, and to do the strengths and qualities of the non-functional requirements. I believe I communicated well when I needed help, and also when others needed help. I stayed active throughout the entire project, making sure to give input wherever I could. I think I could improve in my research before attempting to do the work, as I had to ask a lot of questions of my group who had done more research than me. I also think I could have done more work instead of just doing what I was told. I communicated well, I met every deadline, and I helped anyone who needed help. Overall, I think my involvement in this project was a positive one. Thank you for listening.